Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up Mamp. Mamp is a personal local based server, so you can run your own website locally and you get all the same features as you would on a normal website. The only downside is no one can see it because it's run locally. But the good things about this is you can test databases, so you can see if your PHP works and connects to the database, and you can use all the web-based server-side features that you would like to use if you had a proper website before you upload it to your actual one. So the first thing you want to do to install Mamp is to go along to your web browser and type Mamp, and as you see it's the top one here. As I'm using a Windows PC, this is available for Mac and Windows, but because I'm using a Windows PC, I want to download the Windows version. Mamp and Mamp Pro, you can pay for the Pro version, but the free version is completely fine and works just as well. So click download and run while it loads. It shouldn't take that long. It depends on like your Wi-Fi speed, but you get some of the good features about this is you get PHP My Admin, which is really good. Yeah, as you can see here, you get all these good features which you'd get on a normal website. Here we go. It's nearly done and just loading. It should pop up here. Yes, it has. Here it is. It's just loading. So English. We don't want. Or if you're buying Mamp Pro, then click it. But because I'm not, install. Yes, we want that. So we can click next. We agree. You can read it if you want to. I'm going to change it to my W drive. Mamp, and then next. Next, create a desktop icon. You don't have to click this, but if you want to, then you can. And then install. It depends on how fast your computer is, but it should roughly be done in about 2 minutes. I'll be back as soon as it's done. I just wanted to show you the features you could get if you get the Pro version. So for the Pro version, you can get mobile testing. It comes with its own editor, which the free version doesn't. Dropbox support, and this in-app updates, host overview, and more features as you can read yourself if you want to. But I recommend just using the free version. It works fine for me and does everything I want it to. So then, it's nearly done. As you can see, it should be done very quickly. Until it's completely finished. Dog barking in the background. Okay, here we go. And here we go, installing. It should be done now. Okay, finished. And let's open it up. So then you've downloaded Mamp. So the first thing you want to do is click this start server button, and it should turn green, and the two boxes have turned green. I've already done this, as you can see. So just to show you, when you click open start page, it's just going to open this up. It's a default thing. So the first thing you want to do is come over and click preferences, web server, and click open. It will open this. So if you come over here and click, if you open the index file here, I've already deleted what's inside it, but whatever's there, just do Control A and delete. Then you can type, let's just say HTML, and close it, header tag, and close it, body tag, and close it, and then header 1, hi, header 1, and close it. If you save this now, and you come back here, and you come back over here and click open. You now can click open start page, and then get rid of the Mamp up here. It will now say hi. You can add as many folders as you want inside here as you want, so you can add unlimited in here, and then go to like /testing, but because I haven't created a folder there, it hasn't done this. Whatever you create, you always want to create it inside the HD docs. Don't touch anything inside the Mamp folder unless you know what you're doing. Okay, well, thank you for listening and watching. I hope you've learnt something, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you.